if you are having logging issues with the Jio Hotstar platform. In today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix this issue. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you watch it until the end and let's get straight into the video. Now, the first thing that you can do in this situation is try to clear the cache and data of the Jio Hotstar app. If you're using a mobile phone and using the application, you can just tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon or app info. If you don't see the option right here, you can head over to the settings on your phone, head over to the app section where you will be able to view all of the apps that are installed on your phone, head over to manage apps, and then search for Jio Hotstar. Once you're inside of this section, tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. It says right here the file settings, database and caches will be permanently deleted. Meaning if you have downloaded any movies inside of Jio Hotstar, those are also going to be removed. So once you complete this process, open up the Jio Hotstar app again and try logging in. If this step does not work, the second thing that you can do is try to check for any new updates available. So open up your Play Store and look for any new updates. If you see an option which says update right here, make sure you hit that update button. Updating applications helps to clear out any bugs or fix any bugs which may be causing the issue. Now once you tried out both of these steps and you're still having the login issue, the third thing that you can do is try logging in from the web. Jio Hotstar also has a web version, so you can open up a web browser, search for Jio Hotstar and make sure you try to log in through the website. If none of these steps work out and you can't even log in from the website, then that likely means there is an issue with the system of Jio Hotstar. In this case, you just need to wait out until the issue is fixed and then you can log in. So these are the simple steps that you can try out in order to fix Jio Hotstar login issue. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.